is 4th standard 10 and the topic name is types of chemical reactions. So here we are going to discuss some types of chemical reaction. Let us enlist first. First one is combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. And fifth, oxidation and reduction. So here these are 5 types of reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and oxidation reaction. So here in this video today we are going to discuss the first, that is combination reaction. So let us start now. First of all, what is meaning of combination reaction? The name itself shows that there will be the combination of the reactants. So the definition is the reaction in which a single product is formed by 2 or more reactants is known as combination reaction. So here in this definition we have to focus that just a single product is obtained and the reactants are 2 or more than 2. So this is a definition for combination reaction. Again we are repeating: the reaction in which a single product is formed by 2 or more reactants is known as combination reaction. Now let us see its example. First example, burning of coal. Now we know that coal is made up of carbon. So in reaction we will write carbon which is in solid state. Now it is burning. Burning means it will react with oxygen. So C plus O2, it is in gaseous state and it will give CO2 which is in gaseous state. Now we can see here there are 2 reactants and they will react to give a single product. So this reaction is known as combination reaction. We can see here the definition is fulfilled that the reactants are 2 or more. We can see here there are 2 reactants and just one single product is formed. Thus it is known as combination reaction. Second example is formation of H2O molecule. H2O means water molecule. So how water molecule is formed? It is formed by reaction between H2 and O2 gas. Both are in gaseous state and it will give H2O molecule which is in liquid state. Okay. So here to balance reaction I am writing here 2 on both sides. Here we can see that there are 2 reactants and by reaction between them it will give just a single product. So this reaction is also known as combination reaction. Now let us see another example. Another example, third one, it includes activity which is formation of CaOH twice. It is known as calcium hydroxide and its chemical name is slaked lime. Okay, so what we have to do in this reaction, in this activity, take a beaker, then after add some water into beaker. After adding water into beaker, add some calcium oxide, CaO. It is a calcium oxide and its common name is quicklime. Okay. So, what will be the reaction between these? The reaction will be CaO plus water, means H2O. So, reaction will be CaO plus H2O. CaO, calcium oxide, it is in solid state. Water, it is in liquid state, and it will give CaOH twice. It is calcium hydroxide and it is known as slaked lime, and CaO is known as quicklime. So here we can see there are two reactants which will combine to give single product. So thus these are also known as combination reaction. Okay. Now during this reaction, if we touch the wall of the beaker, we will feel some heat. Here some heat will be released. Thus this kind of reaction is known as exothermic reaction. So remember, whenever in any reaction, if heat is released, then this reaction is known as exothermic reaction. So let us now see the definition for this. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is the reaction in which heat is released by formation of products is known as exothermic reaction. So this is definition for exothermic reaction. You have to remember that heat is released in the reaction. So the reaction in which heat is released by formation of products is known as exothermic reaction. Now let us see its example. Examples of exothermic reaction. Its example involve burning of natural gas. The most common example for natural gas is methane, and it is CH4. CH4, here it is a methane and it is known as natural gas. So here we have written burning, means it will react with O2, it will react with oxygen and it will give CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Now the balance reaction, we are writing here 2 and here 2. So here the heat is released, thus this reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Now let us see another example of this exothermic reaction. Respiration. Okay, we know this process very well. In the respiration process, we inhale oxygen. So while the oxygen is inhaled in the body, it will then reacted to the glucose. And how glucose is obtained in our body? When we eat food like potato, rice. So here from this substance, the carbohydrates are obtained. So carbohydrates are converted into glucose, and here the oxygen will react with glucose. So we will write the reaction C6H12O6. Here it is glucose and it is reacted with oxygen. So it will give CO2 plus H2O and heat is released. Here heat is in the form of energy. Heat energy is obtained. So we obtain energy by this reaction in our body. So here we can say that heat is obtained. So thus this reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Now if you want to balance reaction, write here 6O2, 6CO2 and 6H2O. So the reaction is also balanced. And the last example of exothermic reaction is decomposition of vegetable matter to compost. So here also in this reaction the heat is released. Thus here it is also an example of exothermic reaction. So here we have completed a topic that is a combination reaction which also includes the exothermic reaction. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.